Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the area and the device so you can act confidently. Turn off power and remove batteries or unplug to prevent damage. This also keeps sensors safe. Position the can upright about 6 to 8 inches from the component. Press in short 1 to 2 second bursts rather than holding the nozzle. This avoids freezing parts and wasting propellant. Once you hit accessible gaps and vents with brief blasts, tap out loose particles so the next pass clears finer dust. You now move into the detailed execution. Clean systematically so you don't recontaminate finished areas. Start with fans, then heat sinks, vents, and external ports. Treat one section fully before moving on. Use the straw attachment for targeted bursts and angle the nozzle about 45 degrees to blow dust out rather than deeper in. Make short sprays and follow with gentle brush swipes when needed. Once done with each zone, let any propellant evaporate for a few seconds before reassembling or powering up. You finish by confirming everything is dry and free of loose debris so the device restarts cleanly. Let surfaces sit for 5 to 10 seconds so residual propellant evaporates, then reseat panels, reinstall batteries, and power on. If you see persistent dust clumps or static attraction, repeat short bursts and use a soft brush to release particles. Do not rub hard. If the can was inverted and left frozen, let components warm to room temperature before attempting more sprays. That prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.